morning students. Today we will discuss writing section. So our question number 8 is you are Tabassum oblique Tarun, a resident of Satyanagar colony, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. You have noticed that some residents of your colony are repeatedly flouting quarantine rules laid out during the outbreak of the COVID 19 pandemic. Write a letter to the SHO of the local police station drawing attention towards the same. Explain how such acts impact the health of the community and request immediate intervention and strict action. Or choices also B. You are Vajanti oblique Vijay from Prakasham Nagar, Sikandrabad, Andhra Pradesh. Write a letter to Book Heaven Store requesting home delivery of the books, stationery, and art materials you had ordered telephonically. Share the reason for being unable to pick up the goods in person. Confirm your address, details, and a convenient time slot. So, firstly, you will write your address. Firstly, you will write your address, then date, and next, station house officer, SHO, short form, Satyanagar colony, police station, Bhubaneswar. Next, sir. Subject, flouting of quarantine rules. I want to bring to your kind notice that some residents of our colony are unabashedly flouting the quarantine rules. Some of them found COVID positive are supposed to remain confined in their homes, nay, their rooms. But they move about in the colony openly, even without masks. Some others sit in the streets and roam about without masks. They do not follow the rules of social distancing. The Resident Welfare Association of our colony is well aware of the problem. Needless to say, such negligent behavior of these residents has put everyone's life at risk. Those who know the consequences of being COVID infected are under great mental stress. I would therefore request you to look into the matter and take immediate action against those who disregard the pandemic rules and guidelines. Sincerely, B part. Our next question. So the solution will be firstly, in the same way, you will write the address, then date, and then the manager, Book Heaven Store, Sikandrabad. Next, sir, subject, request for home delivery of books and stationery items. Kindly refer to my telephonic order 145C dated, you will mention the date, bracket closed, for some textbooks, stationery items and art materials. Since I am leaving just now for Mumbai for an unavoidable family problem, I am unable to pick the ordered goods in person. There is no other member in my family to come to your store and pick up the ordered goods. Therefore, I earnestly request you to ensure the delivery of ordered goods on any day between 4 to 7 o'clock in the evening. You can confirm the address and order on phone, and then you will mention your phone number, your contact number. Thank you very much. Sincerely, Vijay. Question number 9. The chart below displays data about the number of digital devices purchased in Rishunagar across the years 2015 to 2019. Write a paragraph analyzing the given data, as data is given for visually impaired candidates in lieu of question 9A. Or second, read the following excerpt from an article that appeared in the magazine section of a local daily. The ban on single-use plastic is impractical. The purpose of articles like bags and packaging is ultimately to make human life easier. Plastic articles do this well, so they shouldn't be banned. Write a paragraph to analyze the given argument. You could think about what alternative explanations might weaken the given conclusion and include rational evidence that would strengthen, counter the given argument. And your answer will be sale of digital devices. The chart, as the chart is given, the chart shows the purchase of two important digital devices, smartphones and computers, across the years 2015 to 2019. In 2015, about 35,000 computers and about 45,000 smartphones were purchased. The number of these devices purchased peaked in 2017, when the figure in case of computers rose from 35,000 to nearly 85,000, and that of smartphones from 45,000 to about 75,000. The slump came about in 2018. The purchase figure dipped from 85,000 to 55,000 in case of computers, and from 75,000 to 65,000 in case of smartphones. But in the year 2019, the sale of these devices, perhaps due to heightened online teaching and other activities due to COVID lockdown, jumped up to about 90,000 and over 1 lakh in case of computers and smartphones, respectively. The given data indicates the growing popularity of both computers and smartphones among all sections of society. Second, the said article in the magazine section of the local daily advocates the use of plastic articles simply because they make life easier and more comfortable. What it has ignored is the potential harm that these articles do to our environment. Plastic is not biodegradable like paper, water, plants, etc. Plastic waste affects human and animal lives badly. Toxic chemicals and that leach out of plastic are found in the blood and tissue of humans, which cause fatal diseases. Plastics spoil our groundwater, threaten wildlife, poison our food chain, and whatnot. Plastic pollution is rampant. There is no reasonable case in favor of plastic goods. Plastics must be banned and without delay. So, this was our writing section. We will discuss literature section tomorrow.